Up guys, king of disasters here. Today I'm on my rush base. Yep, on my rush base. As you can see, yeah, shitty base. Oops, shitty base. Okay. I'm gonna show you one Gowipe attack replay that I got from my friend. Actually not got, okay, I just watch it live. Gowipe and earthquake spell. Yeah, quite successful attack. Yep. And here is Lonely Stranger again. That son of a bitch. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay. He successfully do this. I have tried it and yeah, quite good. Using this spell. Alright, we're going to drop 4 spell there to take down the wall. Okay, start it off with 2 golem there, and he is spreading his freaking wizard, and wizard is starting to taking down Monster 095 Bubblekin, and the king is down to put a wall breaker, some wall breaker there, and another wall breaker, the paper. Alright, taking down the mortar. Okay, everything looking good. Alright, he got a huge pass to the town hall, and he put down the race there, and yeah, he took it out all the air defense at the bottom, taking down the town hall. Okay, this is successful. Okay, because the base is so great. Yeah, you can see that the base is like it has a lot of layers. If me, I would choose it starting from here. Yeah, from here. So much more easier to get to the town hall, but you choose it from the bottom. Okay, that is a great placement. Okay, starting it off. Bubblekin and 2 pekkas there, swinging around, get everything outside, and yeah, taking down the last army camp. These special abilities used, oh my god, that is a damn long, and it is not a problem for the pekka taking down the Tesla. And just the cannon that defend that left on this base, and the P.E.K.K.A will taking down the walls and the storage, and the last defend and the last structure in the base, and boom, full star attack. Son of a bitch. Alright, yeah, quite great attack. Great placement of the troop, and yeah, great. I would just say great. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, this that for now. And yeah, if you like it, please press like button and subscribe. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, the link will be under this down below in the description. And yeah, leave a comment, the comment section, what you want to see on the next video. And yeah, till you see next time, peace.